Hi everyone, welcome back to my backyard snack yard. We're out here in the garden and I just had to share this with you because it just smells so amazing. It's my beautiful Four Seasons lemon and it is blooming. These little flower buds have been sat on it for ages, just waiting for the sunshine, and it's finally come now and they're bursting into bloom, to beautiful big bloom. Look how big these flowers are. And they just smell so amazing. And of course with the Four Seasons lemon you get lemons at all stages. So quite recently, I'd say a few months ago now, I just harvested a bunch of lemons and cured them in salt, and they were really delicious. I've already eaten them all. We use them in all kinds of dishes. But these ones are all coming now. Look at these big flowers. Oh my goodness. And as beautiful as they are, I mean the scent is just unbelievable. And we've got some little ones here. These ones bloomed earlier and they're like little tiny lemons. And then we got really cute baby lemons too, which are growing nicely. Down here got lots more flower buds that are probably going to start opening very soon now that the sun has come. Down here we have another baby lemon. Look at that cutie. More flower buds. I love how they look, all fat and white. There's one over there. And there's some more on the other side too. Since we're having a good look, let's just make sure we don't miss any out. There's a bunch of them on this branch here. Some hiding down here. So we're gonna have lots of lemons. This is actually the largest one here. It's been going for quite a while. There we are, look at that, gorgeous. Another flower there. And of course there's lots and lots of new leaves coming out here too, lots of foliage. I love the color they have when they're just starting to come out. It's really deep red. Almost maroon, I guess. But yeah, we've gone from just like, 17 degrees in the day to suddenly 25, and it feels a bit hotter. It just feels amazing. It's like what summer is supposed to be like, isn't it? So I think all of the citrus and all of the plants in general are just really happy. And if you look how wide he's gotten, look here, he's from over here to here. So he is going to be one big lemon tree, considering that I have to overwinter him in the house. I mean, I know here in the UK some people do actually overwinter their citrus outdoors, but I certainly won't be doing that. I think it's so nice to sit inside and have them all toasty in there and just dripping with beautiful yellow tropical looking fruit. It's a really nice feeling. And they tend to ripen sort of around Christmas too, or just after, right when you sort of need a real boost, your vitamin C boost. But yeah, I think it's really difficult to actually see how beautiful they are because the sun is shining so brightly, but they are stunning. And as I said, the scent is the most amazing thing. So just had to share that with you. It's such a joyful sight to see these gorgeous things in bloom and looking so well. Everything is looking so colorful now. Actually, some of my flowers were suddenly wilting. One of my chili plants was like suddenly really suffering because it had dried out in a pot. So got to water these things. Look how blue the sky is. Oh, I've really been looking forward to this kind of weather. But it's here at last, so I can enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.